Now that we are a couple months into 2024, have experts revised their pricing forecasts? The answer is yes. Hi, I'm Deb Grimme with Edina Realty. Over the past few months, experts have revised their 2024 pricing forecasts based on the latest market data and signals. In fact, experts are more confident prices will rise and not fall this year. This is great news for sellers who are planning to list their home this spring. According to Goldman Sachs' 2023 original forecast, home prices were to bump up 1.9% nationally. Now their current forecast has home prices up 5% from last year. So what are the two big factors driving this increase? Low inventory and a decline in mortgage rates. The market is seeing more buyer demand now that the mortgage rates have dipped. So we still have a lower amount of inventory. This is keeping the prices stronger than expected from a couple of months ago. Keep in mind, real estate experts adjust their forecasts as the market shifts. So that may be true today, can change over time too. Basically, it's all about supply and demand. With our housing supply still limited, anything that causes demand will drive prices to go up. If you are a seller looking to list your home, please reach out to my team and I so we can give a home valuation on your property's value and also the current market stats in your area. I'm Deb Grimme, homesintwincities.com and Edina Realty, providing personal service and delivering remarkable results. And as always, make it a great buying and selling day.